In this video, you will learn how to make money on the OTC market with BoosterBot, how BoosterBot sees the OTC market, what it consists of, and most importantly, you will learn how you can make money on the OTC market right today. This is a great market to trade on the news and at a time when the major banks are asleep. That's roughly nighttime on European time. I dare not delay, and let's get started. The OTC market is an intra-exchange market, which means that specifically on Pocket Option here, traders themselves trade among themselves. And how to understand when we have chart glitches. Yes, in case anyone didn't know, the OTC market is made up of different parts. For example, we have one pattern, we have the next pattern, and so on. They can be completely different, they can be very big, and similarly they can be very small. These are patterns that are taken already from history. Accordingly, it is not difficult to find algorithms and train a booster robot to do this, which is exactly what we did with the whole team. And let's see in practice how it works. I choose the British pound, the Japanese yen. You can observe a lot of patterns here. You can see it by such candlesticks, by such voids. If you see a void like this, you know that another pattern has turned on somewhere. British pound, Japanese yen, 1 minute to trade, 5-second candles. I choose this currency pair and the time to trade is 1 minute. I get a buy signal at a pretty good percentage, 71, 76. I wait for a new 5-second candle and right on it, I immediately open my buy trade. And yes, in this currency market, you need to understand that here we will work on 5-second candles. These are the best candles for such a volatile market. And look at these intervals. This means that there was a pattern change here, and now we're right in the zone of one of these new patterns. A good first trade makes me $460, and as you can see, BoosterBot performs very well on the OTC market. But let's look at another example. Let's not limit ourselves to one currency pair, euro-dollar. Here you can see where we had a pattern change, and we still have the same pattern going on. Here we had a change. Accordingly, we can expect that all this area will be the same pattern taken from history. Another variant of the pattern is very long candles. For example, such candlesticks. When you see such a candle on the chart, you know that this is also a pattern change, and now we have a new pattern. That's why I choose the euro-dollar currency pair, 1 minute to trade. And I get a buy signal again, but with even more confident percentages. I wait for a new 5-second candle and immediately open my buy trade. At the last moment, the deal closes in a minus. This unfortunately happens on the OTC market, all because of the fact that here we have a new pattern turned on. But the booster bot warned me that the reversal is 30%. So it was unfortunately a risky trade, but I'll open the next one for $1,500 and cover this minus. Let's try again on the euro-dollar currency pair. I get a sell signal with good percentages. There is also a high probability of reversal, but let's try to sell now. I open a sell trade. I didn't make it into this whole huge candle. A great trade brings me $12.75. As you can see, I'm covering my losses and I'm doing great on this currency pair. Let's try to open another deal on the euro-dollar for $2,000. I get a buy signal with an amazing percentage of 94% on a successful deal. I wait for a new candlestick and open my buy trade on it. And how the BoosterBot team trained him to analyze these patterns. We've found a pattern in the timing of these patterns. Yes, because they change, so we had to introduce a percentage system. If it was so easy, it would be 100% of deals closed in the plus, so we have about 80 or 90% of positive trades. BoosterBot analyzes the chart for a certain period, and by the way, this period changes every 3 days. We take this period and analyze the chart where it is and accordingly build according to this algorithm, where the price will be in a few minutes. Another great deal brings me $1,720. As you can see on OTC, you can safely work with BoosterBot. Let's take a look at the Euro Swiss franc. Here just goes the pattern change, so I choose this currency pair. And the time for the trade is also 1 minute. I get a buy signal with good interest. I wait for a new candle, and on the new candle I open my buy trade. Yes, because of the internet I opened 2 trades, but let's see how they close. With such percentages and with the new pattern, the trades should close in plus. And yes, on the OTC market, I advise you to work on 1 minute expiry. At 3 minutes it will be quite risky trading. Just look at these trades closed plus 100 pips. And the total I'm taking from these 2 trades is $3,600. Very confident final trades made me very happy. And as you can see, the OTC market is safe. If you don't know how to activate BoosterBot, you need to follow the link in the description. Find the link to the bot, activate it by writing the start command, and then follow all the instructions that BoosterBot will give you. If you have any question or something does not work with BoosterBot, then for you is available support account in which you need to write and ask your question or describe your problem. The support guys will gladly help you and solve your problem. BoosterBot is absolutely free, you don't have to pay for anything. If someone offers you to buy BoosterBot or download it, don't fall for such people. All useful links are waiting for you in the description. If you have been looking for a long time how you can quickly earn money on trading and binary options, this is your chance. Be sure to activate BoosterBot and start earning today.